Hi guys, it's Rachel here. Now it's late in on Friday evening, and I've done my gift idea number 11, and my brother's on his way down from Bologna right now, so I thought I better get the video done. I videoed the process making it, so I'll publish that. I've got 2 videos, so I'll probably publish maybe one tomorrow and one on Sunday, so maybe you can make the first part and then finishing it off on Sunday, or otherwise I might decide to just publish this video tomorrow and then the making of it on Sunday. So we'll just see. So what I've made is it's kind of like a drawing folder, sketch folder, I think. And I was inspired by Caterina Giulio. She's American, I think, but Italian origins, and she's a very clever lady, and she's done a lot of projects for the Somerset Stampington magazines. And so she is an artist and does a lot of sketching, and so she'd made something similar, but I think it was slightly smaller by the look of it, for her drawings. But I did add a different touch to mine as well. But I thought this is another great gift for that, you know, artistic person. And so what I did was I put some beautiful marbled paper that I bought in Venice. And this is one of my favorite hemps. I don't actually sell this one. I've had it for years and I hoard it. It's just my absolute favorite. Anyway, I put that on the spine. It was just a regular sort of book from 1965. It was an art book, actually, that I've emptied out the pages. And so, and then I put this sari silk here because there's a lot of lilacs and purples in the folder. And then I'll just open it and show you and explain what it is. I think I might make more of these. I really like them. Okay, so it's fairly simple inside. I put my favourite wrapping paper in there that I bought in Australia. That's lovely and textural. I hope you can see because it's quite big, the book. And so I've just got a big brown paper bag. You see it opens, so you can put drawings in there, and there's a pocket here as well. I kept it simple. And then there's another paper bag. This paper bag, I think Michelle sent me these. And it's kind of a little bit almost waxy. It's kind of see-through, but it's not like the other wax bags that I got from Amazon. And then it's got a pocket there, and also it's got a huge gusset, so you can put things in there as well. And I mean, you could like glue some string here and tie it if you wanted to too. And then I learned from Marianne Moss, however, I did show how to do this because there's lots of tutorials. This is the Midori binding here. I've done the Midori binding. I don't know if I did it right, but I tried my best. Tried my best, guys. So I just slipped in some pages to do collaging or drawing on. I thought, what a fun thing to do. So this is sketch paper. This is an old piece of magazine that someone had sent me. Sabine, I think, sent that to me. And so then I put some brown paper, some straw paper, and just a mix, and then this lovely recycled envelope that I had received. So I just cancelled out the address and put some book page there, and it's open at the top so it can be decorated and put things in there. And then you'll see in the center there's the elastic, so the pages can be removed and replaced too once they've been used. So I thought this would be a really fun thing. I had to do a little repair there. You'll see that in the video. Post Italiane. I thought this would be a really fun thing to take away on a holiday. There's not too many pages in there. You could certainly slip a pencil in there. It's got quite a deep spine, so there's lots of space. I just thought this is a really fun project. So I'm going to make some more of these. I think hopefully I'll get time. And I know exactly one person who I'm going to give this to. So yeah, it's a really fun little project. Super easy, not hard. Now I hadn't made a prototype before I did the video, so you'll see me trying to figure it out as I go. But now I want to learn to draw, so that way I can have one. I just love it. I just love it. I don't know if I can part with it. Anyway, so that's my gift idea number 11. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. I've got all my videos organized for you guys, so you won't even know I've gone. I've been gone for 2 days, and I'll probably be back on Monday playing catch up. So have a great weekend, and thank you for watching, and I hope you make lots of these because they are really fun, really great way to use up those books that aren't so old, that aren't so interesting, but you have the covers, maybe you use the pages inside, and you can make little art folios. Let's call them art folios. So I will see you soon, and thank you. Oh, I should say thank you to Caterina Giulio for such a wonderful video and inspiration, and I hope you all go and check her out. I'll link her below, and I will link her below, and I will see you soon. Bye.